Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Facebook tracking for off Facebook activity, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Facebook website. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the downward facing arrow in the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. Click on the arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings from the expanded options. On the left sidebar, find and select Privacy. Scroll down to the section labeled Your Activity. Look for the option that says Off Facebook Activity and click on it. You will see a summary of your off Facebook activity. To manage your settings, click on Clear History to remove existing off Facebook data. A confirmation box will appear. Confirm your choice to clear your history. After clearing, return to the Off Facebook Activity page. Locate the option that says Manage Future Activity. Click on this option to continue. You will see a toggle switch labeled Future Off Facebook Activity. Set this toggle to off to disable future tracking. Facebook will prompt you with a message regarding this change. Read it carefully. If you are satisfied, confirm your decision. Finally, ensure that your settings have been updated and review them to confirm. You have successfully disabled Facebook tracking for off Facebook activity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.